9th. Today we will discuss about trigonometry. Now, this trigonometry is new to you. You did not study about this in lower classes. Now what is trigonometry? This trigonometry is derived from two Greek words. One is trigonon, and second one is metron. Now, trigonon means triangles and the metron meaning is measures. Trigonon is triangles, metron means measures. So trigonometry is measurement of triangles. That is, we can discuss about the relation between the triangles and the angle of triangles, and between the angles and the sides of a triangle. In trigonometry, we will discuss about the relation between the angles and sides of a triangle. Now, first, in trigonometry, we will have to study about trigonometrical ratios. Now, these trigonometrical ratios are the alphabets of trigonometry. Without alphabets, we cannot study about the language. Similarly, without these trigonometrical ratios, we cannot study about trigonometry. Now, what are these trigonometrical ratios? Now, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios. Now, the first one is sine. This is SINE, sine, but we write it as SIN, sin, say, sine of an angle. It is actually sine, but we write it as sin theta. Theta is an angle, and we pronounce it as sine theta. Say, this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, and angle C is a theta. Now, what is sine theta? The sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. So it is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. Now in some of the books it is given as perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some of the books it is given, and some of your tutors also may teach you it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Children, you don't remember about perpendicular base because it will change. If it is you are finding the sine of this angle, so it is AB is perpendicular, BC is base. But if you want to find the sine of say this angle, say this is alpha. Now sine of alpha when you find, sine alpha is opposite side, according to this opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is AC by ABC by BC by opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. But if you remember perpendicular by hypotenuse, it will confuse you because BC is not perpendicular, BC is base. It is BC by AC. It is base by hypotenuse. So forget about perpendicular and base. Remember sine of an angle, acute angle, this is 90, so these two are acute angles. If you are going to find the sine of an angle, that is opposite side of that angle by hypotenuse. So sine theta is AB by AC, sine alpha is BC by AC. Now this is the first key ratio. Now the second one is cosine. Second one is cosine. It is cosine, but in short we write it as cos. So cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Not don't remember as base by hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos theta here is adjacent side of theta is BC. BC by AC. And if we are going to find cos of alpha, it is AB by AC. AB by AC. So see here, BC is base by hypotenuse, but AB by AC is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So you confuse if you remember in terms of perpendicular and base. It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos of an angle you are going to find adjacent side of that angle by hypotenuse. So cos theta is BC by AC and cos alpha is AB by AC. This is second one, cosine of one angle. Now the third one is tangent. Third one is tangent. Tangent. It is tangent, but in short we write it as tan theta. So tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is opposite side of theta is what? AB by adjacent side is BC. So AB by BC is tan theta. Similarly, tan alpha if you want, it is BC by AB. So this is tan theta. Now the fourth one is cosec theta. Cosec theta. Now cosec theta, this is a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Now sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. That is AC by theta. So AB. Sin theta is opposite side AB by AC. So cosec theta is AC by AB. It is hypotenuse by opposite side, reciprocal of sin theta. That is cosec theta. And the fifth one is sec theta. Sec theta. Now this sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. That is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So sec is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So sec theta is equal to here in this diagram AC by BC. Cos theta is adjacent side BC by AC. So sec theta is AC by BC. Clear? Now the sixth one, the last one is cotangent. Cotangent, but in short we write it as cot theta. So cot theta, it is reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan theta. So this is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Because tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, so cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So cot theta here is BC by AB. BC by AB. Clear? So these are the 6 T ratios. All of you have to by heart this and remember, because without alphabet you cannot study trigonometry. Understood? Now to recapitulate whatever we discussed here is sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, so it is AB by BC. Then cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, it is hypotenuse by opposite side, so AC by AB. And next sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side, so cos theta is AC by BC. And the last one is cot theta, that is cotangent cot theta, it is adjacent side by opposite side. That is reciprocal of tan theta, that is BC by AB. Clear? Now for example, say this is PQR. PQ is given 3 and QR is 4 units. Now you are asked to find, say this angle is alpha. You are asked to find sin alpha. Sin alpha. Then first you have to find PR. The hypotenuse is not given. So how will you find the hypotenuse? Yes, by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem you can find the PR. It will come 5. Isn't it? So sin theta, sin alpha is opposite side, QR by PR. Is QR by PR. That is 4 by 5. Isn't it? If you want tan theta is opposite side by, what is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So alpha is given here. So tan alpha we are going to find. So opposite side by adjacent side. It is 4 by 3. And so on. With this you can find all quality ratios whatever you ask. Clear children? Yes. Thank you.